Hey guys, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And for today's video we are gonna go to H&M. So if you guys like my video, please do not forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. The link will be given in the description. और H&M में बहुत बड़ा सेल लगा है, so we are gonna go and check out the collection. And इसका जो लोकेशन है वो एल्गिन रोड पे है, बिल्कुल फोरम मॉल के पीछे. So let's start with the first piece. The first one is this lavender dress. This is a beautiful checkered lavender short dress which is for $12.99, and then this is again for $12.99. This is another lavender pattern dress, but it's a solid color, it doesn't have any patterns. It just has pleats and puff sleeves. So यहाँ पे segment किया हुआ है, जैसे lavender, yellow, blue, सब चीज़ का अलग अलग segments है, color coordinated है. And this top is for $14.99 you guys. And इसके बिल्कुल पीछे एक skirt है जो बहुत pretty है, and I thought it would be for $14.99 or so, but it was only for $7.99. And then this top was for $14.99, and there was another skirt, this beautiful lavender checkered skirt which had pleats again, which was for $7.99. Then coming to the blue section, the top is for $7.99, then whites are for $7.99 again. The crop tops for $1.99 you guys, because sale chal raha tha. So yeah, this is the blue section. Then moving on to some more clothes. I just love the collection. This is a bling sequin wala dress which was for $7.99. They had so many colors, nude tha, blue tha, black tha, white tha. And then this is the yellow section again. I have shown this section before also. They did not change the collection over here. Then these crop tops were for $1.99 and $2.49. Can you believe it? This beautiful colored section was for $1.99 and $2.49, because all these were for sale. And these t-shirts were for $3.99 you guys, जो normally $7.99 $12.99 के होते हैं. As you can see, full on sale लगा हुआ है यहाँ पे, सब $2.49 $2.99 ऐसा rates था. And then this white dress is for $14.99. I love this tie-dye. Oh my god, I love tie-dyes. That was a tie-dye dress which was for $12.99. This top is for $7.99, and then this beautiful lavender and black dress was for $14.99 you guys. They had so many options this time. I got this leggings. This was for $7.99. It saves the lives. You don't have to wear jeans. And they also had loungewear in so many colors, and those were for $14.99. Then moving on, they have so many yellow colors. Yeah, I love this t-shirt which was for $14.99, and this dress was for $12.99 again. I love the collection today. Then they have so many white crop tops and denims as well. The denims, skinny denims for $14.99. These sweatshirts for $12.99 and $7.99. छोटे वाले $7.99 के थे, and these were for $14.99. These are sweatshirts, for matching sweatpants. These vests were for $2.99, and ये section था $3.99 के t-shirts का, जो बहुत amazing nude colors थे. This top was for $3.99 again. It's a deal guys. So yeah, then moving on to this check shirt. I loved this one. This was for $14.99. This red dress for $14.99, and this red top was for $7.99 again. Look at this cropped sweatshirts over here. These were all for $12.99. And this red dress over here, this floral red dress, as you can see, is for $12.99, which is again so pretty. As you can see guys, पूरा color coordinated है, कहीं red, कहीं orange, कहीं yellow. But shoes में guys सबसे बड़ा सेल था. These slippers are legit for $12.99, and these were for $5.99 flat. सारे यहाँ पे जितने भी आपको सैंडल्स दिख रहे हैं, flats over here, they are all for $5.99. पीछे आपको दिख रहा होगा. They had such a great deal in the shoes. I loved this. These are for 3,000 rupees. The sneakers, they did not have deals. Bags were for $1999 actually, which is 2,000 rupees. And then they had so many colorful options in pumps and wedges. Oh my god, I loved them. Wedges were up pretty much at the higher range. Like this yellow one is for $22.99 you guys. So wedges were a little bit higher. I thought $14.99 was enough. But then look at this beautiful lavender block heels. I tried it on. It was for $12.99. It looked beautiful guys. Then we have some jumpsuits over here. This was like a yellow ochre color ka segment. Over here they had pineapple t-shirts, pineapple shirts, and so many yellow options. I loved it. These dress was for 14.99 and the shorts were for 12.99. Then they had, you know, t-shirt dresses, and these joggers were for 2000 rupees. They had sets over there as well. So this dress was 14.99 by the way, and they had white jeans which was 2000 rupees. White jeans were much more in the higher range than the black ones and the blue ones, the blue denims. They also had a lot of leopard prints in the shop, and this beautiful dress, oh my god, this was for 2299. It had so much flair, full on maxi dress tha. Ye wala bhi 2299 ka hai, ye white wala jeans. And then this dress is for 14.99. I have a similar pattern ka floral dress, and this beautiful jumpsuit was for 2299, sage green. I love the color. This dress was for 14.99. They had so much options for dresses. Look at this. This dress is for, you know, 14.99. पीछे blazers भी थे. So yeah, I'm coming to this lime yellow segment. They had so many options in bodysuits, skirts, tops, dresses, and these t-shirts were all for 7.99. Over here I'm showing you briefly all the bags and accessories. They had the sunglasses and the bags. The yellow tote was amazing. The mustard color was so beautiful. And yeah, this is pretty much what the stores looked like. And there was a huge line billing ke wahan pe. Oh my god, we had to stand for legit 20 minutes. And I'm done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you super soon in my very next video. Bye.